Hey guys, Cyberdinner here, and in this week's video we have the September Antipodean Witch Box. Ooh, it's a very yellow, wow. So this is what it looks like. So we have the pamphlet which says Fish Moon, the 2nd of September. This box has quite a strong scent to it, and it was a little bit heavy, so I'm excited to see what's inside. So the first thing we have is Golden Healer Quartz. So the planet is Sun, the element is Fire, the attributes are Hope, Healing, and Self-Knowledge. And we have Jasmine Flowers. Planet is the Moon, element is Water, the attributes are Hope, Fidelity, Love, Prosperity, and Dreams. I think that's what the box smells like. We'll find out, I guess. We have some chamomile flowers. The planet is the Sun, the element is Water, the attributes are Hope, Peace, Purification, Love, Prosperity, and Restoration. I really like chamomile tea, and it's always nice to have chamomile around. Tiger Eye. The planet is Sun, the element is Fire, the attributes are Hope, Happiness, Confidence, and Courage. A piece of citrine. This one has some cool inclusions on it. So the planet is Mercury, the element is Air, the attributes are Hope, Joy, Happiness, Prosperity, Success, and Luck. We have our consecrated sugar and salt scrub for Hope. Some turmeric. The planet is Mars, the element is Air, and the attributes are Hope, Joy, Passion, and Purification. Doesn't really smell like anything. We have a pendant, which is very cool. Three incense sticks, very strongly scented. They smell really nice. Two spell candles. Ooh. A glass bottle. And a length of yellow ribbon. A little etched board, which looks like it has the elements in the different corners. It has little bunnies in between them. This is very cute. A yellow feather. And our sigil and affirmation for Hope. I know that I have the courage to choose to hope. My heart, mind, and soul are open to all the hopeful, wonderful possibilities of life. And so we'll go through the pamphlet. So we have the almanac for September 2020. The 2nd of September is the full moon, the fish moon. The 10th of September is the last quarter. The 17th is the new moon. The 21st of September is Ostara, or Lady Day. The 22nd of September is the astrological equinox, and the 24th of September is the first quarter. So in this month's books, we got the Ostara/Spring altar tile. This altar tile forms the ideal focal point for your workings through spring, Ostara and beyond, and it can be used in a mini altar kit to work magic anywhere. We have the duck wishing feather. So we have the crystal glass spring flower vase. We have the hopeful spell ribbon. The hope sigil and affirmation card. The classic pentacle pendant. Hopeful spring incense, so it is imbued with honey, amber and resins. It is designed to lift the heart and bring you to a more hopeful frame of mind. The soy spell candles. The turmeric. The jasmine flowers, the tiger's eye, the chamomile, the raw citrine point, the golden healer's quartz. And then we also have some information in here about flower magic, different ways to use flowers in your works. And then our monthly ritual is a ritual of hope. And on the back we have some deities of hope, which I will list in a pinned comment down below, and also an Ostara recipe of turmeric mango yogurt. The salt and sugar scrub wasn't listed in there, but we do have it as well. Alrighty, and that is everything that I got in the September Antipodean Witch box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!